Welcome back to Phinys Garage. I'm Gray here. I wanted to give you guys a little update on what's going on with my 1999 Montero and maybe some other project cars that will be starting on here very soon. I actually had to move this car the other day because it was hailing outside, so I had to quickly come out here 10:30 at night, put a bucket in here as a seat, and drive the thing over there underneath one of those trees. Yeah, that's pretty chaotic, especially since I didn't know how to turn on the windshield wipers. Pitch black on the inside of this car. Great experience, by the way. So the carpet's not in, and I do want to put it in very soon. But the question is, do I clean the ceiling first and then I put the carpet in, or do I put the carpet in and then clean the ceiling? What's the best way to clean this carpet? Because this is carpet, it's just on the ceiling. I did clean up these seats, so I have some before and after photos of what they look like, and I highly doubt really anyone used these seats that much. So they literally look brand new. Unfortunately, they will have to be redone. Now let me show you why we have to recover those seats. It looks like someone took like a marker or a pencil and went bam there, and then the same thing over here, bam. And it's just such a shame because these are really good seats. Now you could argue, why don't you just get the back redone? Well, yeah, I could do that, but the chances of finding leather that matches this, maybe. And if you go through all that trouble, is it really cheaper to replace the back, or is it just cheaper to get the whole seat redone? But the seats turned out really good, so for the time being, I'm just going to keep them the way they are. I'm also going to keep them up the way they are because, as you saw, there are like dent marks there, here, there, and over there. This corner was extremely rusty, and this was preventing me from putting the carpet in for the longest time. I guess maybe this door didn't seal good enough, so water was leaking in right here. The seatbelt thing was super rusty as well. I put some anti-rust stuff on there so it turned it to zinc, primed it, and then I painted it. I also fixed the seatbelt because it was also extremely rusty. So as you see, I got tape on here because I needed to paint it, and I didn't want to get paint on the seatbelt itself. So we're actually going to take this off and see how good of a job I actually did. I thought I got a lot of paint on the seatbelt, but I don't think I did. So I'll be able to put this back on here. Unfortunately, the bolt that came out of here is just toasted. So that's a little update on this car. Now I want to show you guys the next project vehicle, the 2014 Mustang. I do have some work I need to do on this car. Eventually this summer, what I want to do is we're going to rewrap this Mustang and that Montero. They're gonna match. I will reveal the color scheme very soon. The other project vehicle that we're bringing to the channel is this one right over here. This is a classic muscle car. It's a manual and it's got a V8. Can you guess what it is just by the looks of it? What we're going to be doing when the day is not so windy and it's a little bit warmer out is I'm going to be popping the cover off this thing, doing some things under the hood, cleaning up the engine bay, washing the exterior of this car, and cleaning up the inside. This car hasn't been given a wash since August of 2020. I know that because I was the one that washed it last. If you have any ideas of what car this is just by the silhouette of it, let me know down below in the comment section. But until next time, I will see you later. Have an amazing day.